Dr. Paulette Kenwood, and I have been a site instructor for 9 years. My reason for working with site is the support that I get. Because I'm an adjunct, I don't have an office. There's always someone that I can reach out to. If my computer is not working, there's always someone for me. On the side of the students, what I find, site is just right for people who have families. And even if you don't have a family, if you have a full-time job, this is the right program for you because it's geared towards people who are working. And chances are you might not have the time to go to classes every evening, but you have a Saturday that you could go to a site close to your home, or you could work online. That's the part of the program that really makes it easier for anyone who wants to be a part of it. The other part that I like and that I find on my end is that the caliber of students that they recruit, it's like, I don't know how they do it, but they always just find the right students who are ready and willing to work and want to be educators. So that's the part that I like best.